Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature World Coffee franchise business package ideas. World Coffee is under Chipori Incorporated, a franchising company that brought you multiple unique patented brands. It was founded by three personas honed by 21 years of global coffee experience, given the right combination of having a great vision, an appreciable purpose, and a team that demonstrates passionate intensity to make it big. World Coffee was born on 2022 and creates a unique value proposition by creating a special place and perfect handcrafted beverages for every customer. Their vision: to be a well-known and fastest-growing coffee-themed franchise business that offers to experience the coffee world, genuine customer care, value, and business growth to their franchisees family. Their mission: to continuously grow through innovation and dedication to excellence. World Coffee is committed to always delivering an experience of the coffee world and performing to create a sustainable business for everyone and the community. Their purpose statement: pouring happiness to every cup. World Coffee future plans. World Coffee aspires to be a unique in the coffee industry, serving world-class handcrafted beverages and to expand nationwide. Commits to leading and working with future leaders and entrepreneurs, creating equal opportunities where differences are embraced to support the community and the farmers. The World Coffee products. Number 1, buy one, take one, Shicrato. Number 2, cold brew. Number 3, pastries. Number 4, espresso. Number 5, Kape Local. Number 6, keto drinks. Number 7, non-coffee refresher. And number 8, iced hot coffee. For their marketing strategies: awareness. World Coffee experienced successful brand building campaigns with organic engagements. Market. World Coffee have marketing planning and strategic process to ongoing business settings and redefining marketing aims. Collaterals. World Coffee known for providing an exemplary, tangible evidence of the brand to promote and support their product and services. For the franchise package fees, they offer no royalty fees and no franchise fee. Package number 1, minimalist counter and store cafe, which is worth 398,000 pesos only. For the franchise inclusions: number 1, 3 years of franchise contract. Number 2, complete coffee bar tools and equipment. Number 3, coffee machine from Germany. Number 4, 20,000 pesos worth of stock credit. Number 5, business training. Number 6, certified barista training 101. Number 7, a true demonstration of coffee science. Number 8, use of trademark and branding. Number 9, operations manual excellence. Number 10, PRM and BRM. Number 11, operational OPS standards. Number 12, recruitment support. Number 13, full departmental support. Number 14, pre-opening and opening support. Number 15, food delivery app operation assistance. And lastly, number 16, free orientation on business and government permits application. Franchise package number 2, World Coffee Forward. This is for investor and partnership program only. If you are interested, please send them an email for inquiry. Package number 3, World Coffee Container with drive-thru. This is offered for investor and partnership program only. If you are interested, please send them an email for inquiry. They also offer special discounts if you avail for multiple branches. Number 1. Avail 3 cafes and get 59,700 pesos off or 5% discount. Number 2. Avail 2 cafes and get 23,880 pesos off or 3% discount. For the net profit sample computation, it's a winning investment. They offer big monthly net profit sales from 100,000 pesos to 450,000 pesos for a daily sales of 6,000 pesos to 25,000 pesos. For the franchise procedure, number 1, initial discussion. Number 2, reserve. Number 3, contract signing. Number 4, calendaring. Number 5, intense training. Number 6, delivery. And number 7, store grand opening. The advantages of being a franchisee. Number 1, the first ever buy one, take one espresso shake rato nationwide. Number 2, honed with 21 years of global coffee experience. Number 3, continuous brand and product development with a true definition of coffee science. Number 4, winning investment with high profit percentage and fast ROI. Number 5, easy to operate with less hassle. Number 6, unique handcrafted beverages and pastries menu. Number 7, marketing strategy. Number 8, full franchisor support. They take pride in the support they're providing to their franchisees, and that is one of their franchise system's strongest points. Number 9, they reduce waste and ecological footprints to help the environment. Number 10, they support local farmers to help the community and strengthen the local economy. For the contact details, please contact World Coffee Headquarters with the address number 57 Mayor Gil Fernando Avenue, San Roque, Marikina City, Philippines. You may contact them with the mobile number 0917-342-7284 or 0905-591-2983. You may also call them in their hotline 028552-8283. And you can send them an email at cpi.franchising@gmail.com. You may also visit their social media with the account World Coffee PH. For the frequently asked questions, question number 1, I want to franchise World Coffee. Where do I start? Answer, we are happy to hear that. The first step is to attend our business orientation and get an in-depth overview of our franchise. Question number 2, what are the qualifications of a World Coffee franchisee? Answer, you must possess strong entrepreneurial and leadership skills and must be financially capable to fund the investment and be hands-on with the operation side of the business with the franchisor's support. Question number 3, do you provide locations? Answer, the prospective franchisees should provide their target location. However, we have ready locations that we can share with you. Our team will help you come up with a good feasibility study and marketing analysis plan for your location. Question number 4, who will provide the manpower? Answer, it's the responsibility of the franchisee to hire barista for store operations. However, our team will help you with the initial recruitment and hiring. What are you waiting for? Be a coffee entrepreneur now and start your business with a franchise of World Coffee today. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.